target was clear to understand this track, to see what is the character of this racetrack. So this was very good. I mean, we more or less understand what we need here. And yeah, the grip level of the track is still not on the point because not so many riders, but it was generally a very good test. I mean, it's a very, let's say, this track have everything. I mean, it's uphill, downhill, especially turn 1 is a very special corner, very heartbreaking uphill. And then turn 2, it goes downhill. There are many floating corners in 3rd gear and very heartbreaking points here. So generally, it's a very technical track. I mean, until now, the chattering was not a big issue there because also the grip level on the track was not like it will be on the race. So we expect when all 3 categories are here and more bikes on the track, anyway, the grip level and character will change. No, I mean, anyway, it's difficult before the race week to say this. It was only a test and Yamaha was also only 2 days here. So, but I think it will be, for both bikes, will have some positive parts on this track and maybe on another place, but general, at the end of the lap time, we will be again very close. I mean, I don't know the Yamaha bike, I cannot judge it so just from outside, but I think it will be sure a competition again on a very similar level. I mean, like we see last year, Yamaha have some advantage on that point, Honda have some advantage here, but general at the end, they will fight for victory, both brands. I mean, until now, he did very well. I think he's okay. In Sepang, I mean, we did a good test there also. And also now here, I mean, he tried to make, let's say, to find the points what you need here on this racetrack, not go crazy. And also in Sepang, I had the same feeling. So, I mean, we are on the lap times. One time we are a little slower, one time we are faster, but general the direction we work and his style of working is okay. I mean, the extra weight, each bike have it, so you can feel it, it's clear. And it's a challenge for the setup again, and I think we are in a good way to adapt to this 3 kilo more on the regulation. Of course, we are together since 2004, since the 250. Over the years, clear you can feel already what the rider means, but of course you need still the conversation. The bikes are different, trucks are different. I mean, it's understanding between him and the team is very good, and yeah, it works. I mean, the thing he showed already last year in the second part of the season, I think he's in the top level, it's clear. But when you can win, let's say, from the last 9 races, 7, then you are in the top level. But there is always a little room still to improve, and you will not make massive steps, but you can still improve something. I mean, sure, the first one is the special one in the 250 in Welcome. When he show up in a new category, we've been a completely new team, and we go to this race, and he win this first race. I mean, this was a very special moment for everybody. He understood what a special combination is here, and I think from that moment on we had very, very nice victories. We had also bad times, and very important thing is all the team and the rider always stick together, and we went through the good moments and the bad moments, and I think that's also like a victory.